It's Friday, so it's beer, and it's all fucking smashed. But hopefully it'll... Oh no. Oh no. Ah. Love that sound. I was getting really thirsty. Because I was mowing the yard. So I thought I'd take a little breather from the scorching fucking sun. 100 plus. At least it feels like 100 plus, but it might not be. So, sit here and have a beer with you and burp for you. It's so hot. I've been stopping and hosing myself down with the hose. Hosing myself down. That's right. I said that right. Hosing myself down with the hose with water, obviously. Oh my god. I can't fucking talk today. Anyways, this is my favorite beer, the Farmer's Light. It's my favorite. I've drank in mostly all of the different flavors, but this one's just my go-to. So. Whew. It's hot. It's a lot of work. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Last swig. Okay. Have a good Friday.